Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix Telegram download problem. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to fix Telegram download problem, first of all, open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your application, in the top left corner, click on the tab bar icon. Once you click on the tab bar icon, now click on settings. As you click on settings, you'll be taken to the menu page. Now on this page, you need to scroll down and head over to the section that is settings, and under it click on data and storage. Once you click on data and storage, on the other side click on storage uses and click on clear cache. This will clear your cache for Telegram. And once you've done this, now after that, once again you need to head back to your home screen and then long press on the Telegram application and click on the app info icon. Once you do this, click on storage and cache, and after that click cache as well as clear storage. Once you do this, it's gonna take you to the same page, and on this page you need to maximize the cache size. For that, you need to drag this point to the no limit option. In case if it is beyond this, then you need to drag it to the point that is no limit. So once you've done this, you might be able to fix the Telegram download issue. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.